Sinabi po rin ng Bible, and before thou comes forth out of the womb, I sanctify thee, and I ordain thee a prophet unto the nation. Bago pa lamang po isilang ang tao, kilala na po tayo ng ating Panginoon.
Certificate of appreciation is given to Giving Love Bulacan for their support and commitment in making this event a success. Their contribution has helped create a festive and joyful experience for our special needs education learners, and we are very grateful for your partnership and dedication to our mission. Sa paano natin isang Giving Love Bulacan? Thank you so much, everyone.
Nais ko pong malaman ng bawat isa, hindi lang tayo ang nagmamahal sa kanila. Ang Diyos po unang nagmamahal sa ating mga